All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on a 2001 45-foot Sea Ray Express bridge. Got Captain Baird at the helm here.
Let's go.
We went from the old to the new, and we're really looking forward to Magnus commenting on who the goofy guy is driving this boat. So I'm sure we will get some comments from him. But yeah, it's a really cool boat. Nice shape, low hours for its year. All right, so this is a great loop boat, folks. Probably use a little bit of carpet work up here, just not trying to hide anything. Upholstery's in pretty good shape. Just smooth running. That is a touch screen, probably about, I don't know, 8-9 years old, something like that, maybe a little older. But yeah, this boat is pretty cool because it's set up for fishing. It's got a live well in it. It's got a fish box, which is kind of neat. Cummins 450 diesels. And hydraulic swim platform, which is really nice. And this particular boat will come with either this jet ski that you're looking at here, or you have an option for a tender that he has when he got the boat. Another nice feature of this boat, turn some lights on here. It does have yacht controller, which is pretty good. If you're not comfortable docking, this is the way to do it. Docking made easy. So this ties into your bow and stern thrusters, as well as both of your engines. So it, depending on how you move the joystick, it'll put your engines either in forward or reverse or neutral. And yeah, get some lights on here for you. It's a 2-head setup. So that's the master head right here. Get the light on here. So yeah, really comfortable. Nice dry head. This one, I believe, this is a dry head as well, so that's really nice. Not a big fan of the wet heads. Peace. Yacht's 360, baby. Another nice stateroom here. Very comfortable here. And then you get another stateroom. This is your fridge freezer setup here. Super nice cooktop. Really nice area to sit up high and be able to look out the windows, which is kind of nice. And then you have another twin berth aft, which is really cool. So yeah, I like it because it's a great loop boat, great for the Bahamas, great for the Keys, great for just about anywhere, because you know you could fish it. It's got rod holders, it's got a live well. This is a huge fish box, fill it up with ice. And yeah, we're gonna try and fly a drone today. It's not looking great for that, but we're gonna give it a shot. That's some pretty high winds. It's not looking great for flying a drone for sure, but
Really?
no, we'll do the best we can.
We can maybe go on boat, like over there, and tuck away from the van. Like we went, I was thinking we went out here, went over here, we tucked kind of over here that side. There, we can kind of go deep in there and see.
Or we could just kind of see which way is the wind blowing here. Figure that out. I think it's coming from the south.
Yeah, no, I can see it being a pain.
It's coming from the south, right?
Yeah, it looks like it's coming from the south. Directly from
Yeah, that sending unit is not working right.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And this one is?
Yep.
Okay. Also, for sync, can I sync these up?
Got a nice little tabletop here. I mean, really nice seating, so you could have kind of people looking. Yeah, you definitely get the whole family up here.
Oh,
for sure.
You're not feeling lonely up here driving.
No, not at all. And then the other really nice feature of this boat is the gunnels are a little narrow, or the side decks, I should say, are a little narrow, but you can open up this door right here, and this glass flips up like so. And if you want to talk about ease of getting to the bow, you know, for anchor management, line management, fender management, I mean, you're right here, and there's all nice steps, which is cool. You got your windlass here. So yeah, it's a pretty cool design. You probably could make a pad for right in the center there if you wanted one, or a couple of smaller pads. Might want to put another railing in just so that you don't roll off. But yeah, this is a cool feature for sure. That's what we got in here. Got a little fridge up top. Place for some bottles. And you got a little wet bar and a cutting board. You got everything you need. Yeah. Got everything you need. Canvas is in pretty good shape. Isinglass is in pretty good shape. Little dirty right now, which, you know, it is what it is. We've been having a hard time with rain this week and last week. Yeah, and the boat backs up to a highway slip, but it is a covered slip, which is nice. So yeah. Give me a call if you have any questions. Shoot me a comment. Like and share the video with anybody that you know that might be interested in a loop type boat or a liveaboard. This would be very comfortable for a couple to live aboard on for sure. All right, guys, for now, I am gonna hold off and we're gonna get the drone up in the air and get you some footage of the boat from the air.